Welcome to English Ocean, our unique and exciting stories. Will help you learn English quickly and easily. Today, we will explore a fascinating topic: spiritual wealth. Have you ever wondered, can I become rich without having a pile of money in my bank account? I know it sounds a bit crazy, right? But let's explore an interesting truth that true wealth doesn't necessarily have to be related to money. In fact, if you can smile every day, help others without expecting anything in return, or feel grateful for the simple things in life, you are already wealthy. Do you feel like something is missing? Or have you ever had a moment, even without money, in your hands, where you felt incredibly rich? Let's find answers to these questions today. Part 1. What is spiritual wealth? Let's start with the most basic question. What is spiritual wealth? You might immediately think of things like peace of mind or the ability to face challenges without being defeated, right? But what if, when you find yourself not caught up and you win the material race, you become truly wealthy? Spiritual wealth actually comes from simple moments, not luxury cars or expensive mansions. Imagine waking up one day and feeling at peace, not worrying about bills or the race to make money. You sit down with a cup of tea, listen to some soft music, and feel that life is beautiful. That feeling is worth more than anything in your bank account, right? Or simply, you listen to the sounds of life every day, inhale the fragrance of life. Sounds abstract, right? Let's simplify it. You live where your loved ones are, and where familiar dining tables are filled with love and laughter. Even though life is busy, deep inside, there is peace. So, have you ever had that feeling? A moment when you sit back and think, I really have everything I need? Part 2. Where does spiritual wealth come from? We've been talking about spiritual wealth, but have you ever wondered where it comes from? Is it just about gratitude? Or is there something deeper? Look at the people we call influential. They have money, power, but what truly makes them stand out isn't their material wealth. It's because they can make others happy, help their community, and build a meaningful life. A typical example is someone like the Dalai Lama. He lives simply, doesn't own much material wealth, but is respected and admired for his wisdom, compassion, and ability to change the lives of millions. That is a kind of wealth that money can't buy. Do you think helping others can make you feel richer? How can a small act bring big changes in your life and the lives of those around you? Part 3. How to nurture spiritual wealth. We've talked about theory. Now let's get to the practical side. How can we nurture spiritual wealth in our daily lives? There is a saying I really like. Happiness is not a destination. It's the journey. This means you don't have to wait for a perfect day to feel happy or content. Every step along your journey can bring beautiful moments. Gratitude. Spend time each day thinking about what you're grateful for. Whether it's a morning coffee, an interesting conversation, or simply that you're still healthy. Simple things like these will enrich your spirit. Sharing love. Spend time caring and sharing love with others. A smile, a hug, or a compliment can make a huge difference in both your life and theirs. Living with purpose. When you have a goal, big or small, it gives your life more meaning. Do what you love, even if it doesn't earn you money. What have you done today to nurture your spiritual wealth? Can you share special moments when you felt spiritually rich during the day? Part 4. How to feel rich today? So, wealth doesn't just come from money, but from the spiritual values we build every day. When you appreciate the little moments in life, when you help others without expecting anything in return, when you find happiness in simple things, that's when you are truly wealthy. Remember, spiritual wealth isn't something distant. It exists in every moment of your life. And maybe today, you don't have everything you want in material things, but if you live with gratitude and love, you'll see that you're not lacking anything. What do you think? Are you ready to become spiritually wealthy? Let's start this journey together, starting today. Thank you for watching English Ocean's video today. I hope today's sharing will help you realize that you can feel rich without having piles of money in your bank account. As long as you live with love, gratitude, and a clear sense of purpose, you are already wealthy. If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more simple English like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our channel. Let's enjoy learning English together with amazing stories. See you in the next video.